do a book tour today of my main shelf, which you can see behind me. I like a wide range of books, from young adult fiction to historical fiction to murder mysteries and also nonfiction, mostly including historical nonfiction books. For today's book tour, I plan on going from shelf to shelf, but I don't plan on naming every single book. You can visit my blog for a complete list of all of the books that I own. You can also see my Goodreads accounts for all the books that I've read and ones that I plan to read in the future.
Shelf 1, we start off with the Plays and Music History section, moving into Antique and Signed books, then into the Fiction and School Books section, and lastly, we have my Asian section, which is Asian authors or Asian themed. Shelf 2, from the left we have my Classics section, then Watership Down and Game of Thrones because I can't fit them anywhere else. Next we move into my Murder Mystery section, which takes up the rest of the shelf. Authors such as Kate Carlisle, Iris Johansen, Kathy Reichs, and Richard Castle from the TV show Castle are included. Shelf 3, we start off with my Historical Fiction section. Then we move into the Historical Fiction / Murder Mystery section. Since these books are pretty similar, I grouped them together on one shelf. Shelf 4, this is my first shelf of young adult fiction. This shelf mainly holds books that are part of a series, but I don't have the complete collection yet. Completed series I have are the Iron Fey Quartet, the Meridian Trilogy, and the Aeon series. Uncompleted are the Hush Hush Quartet, the Wake series, Eve series, Undeadly series, and more. Shelf 5. This shelf is also young adult fiction, but are mostly completed series. I have split up some of the completed series between this shelf and Shelf 6 because I kept the paperbacks and hardcovers separate. Shelf 6. My last shelf is also young adult fiction. This shelf consists of mostly hardcover books because they are heavier and take up more room. Therefore, they go at the bottom of the bookshelf. Series included on this shelf are the Immortal Instruments series and Clockwork series, Twilight series, and more. And that's our book tour for today.
Thanks for watching. This is Christine signing off.